Hello there. I'm your clever bird tutor feeder. Tap the button on my built-in speaker to record lessons up to 5 minutes.
Hi, buddy, type it.
Store your voice memos directly in my memory for daily playback to keep your birds engaged while you're away. My smart humidity sensor activates the cooling fan when food gets damp, ensuring fresh meals. The 3-liter mega capacity pantry means fewer refills, while the ergonomic open weave perch lets birds dine comfortably. Spent seed husks fall neatly through.
Crafted with bird-safe, durable materials for worrying-free packing. Mount me anywhere with flexible hanging, standing options. 1 month of feather-friendly operation per charge. Let's start nurturing your feathered friends' talents today.